The fruit, we made a zest. We take that peel and made something we can put in our teas. We took the pulp and we can add that to cookies. And then with the leftover, we made our amazing juice. So we have juice, pulp, rind, and zest. Here are 4 ways you can utilize your oranges without having to throw them away. 0 waste, orange juice. But wait, we're not done yet. Remember that rind we had? We're gonna cut it up really quick. So we have the rind that we had, and we're just gonna give it a nice chop into these beautiful things. So the rind, which I thought you were gonna throw out, I'm taking my cleaver and I'm just gonna layer them like so into a nice stack. And then once it's all stacked, make some root on your board. You're gonna put them together like so. And you're just gonna chop them very nicely. Because they're going in tea, you can cut them as thin or as thick as you'd like. And that's all she wrote. So this is the rind. This can be dehydrated and put in tea. It can be frozen and put in tea. You can get pretty creative with this stuff. So yeah, that's what you can do with your rind. So first things first is I have to unload my orange peel. If you'd like to see how I did this, I will be uploading the video right here. Guys, we're just going to add you guys to, I think I'm going to use this. This is what you usually use for canning, but I'm going to use it to fill up my jar with this zest. I only needed one. Perfect. So that's all. I'm just going to pack it down. I have my own homemade sauce. I've done this with so many things. I've done it with orange juice. Now it's time to make our orange juice. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. Alright, so we're just going to turn the juicer on. This is a slow juicer. And then we're just going to plop our oranges into the top vessel of the juicer. And juice will come out. Alright, so now we have everything. And then I'm just gonna pour. Oh shit. I gotta put you down at an angle.